Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to build a house in Build a City Community Town. You can see that I have 180 places to live, but I have 216 places to work. So I need to get more residents so they can work in these workplaces in my city. To build a house, first make sure that you have enough builders. I have currently 4 builders that are free, so that means that I can now start building 4 buildings. So there can only be 4 buildings built at once. You can also buy more builders if you need them, but I'm gonna stick to these 4 builders for now, because 1 builder is for 1 building. Then click on the building tool, and now make sure that you are in residential tab, because you have different ones here, so use the residential one. And now I'm gonna enable the option to only show buildings for this island. And now I need to choose a building I want to build. You can see the capacity of a building, so how many people can live in these buildings, and how many stars does it give you for that building. Also, at the bottom you can see the price. I'm gonna pay with cash, not with gold, so I'm gonna choose this building, and this icon shows you on which terrain the building can be placed. Buildings can be placed on grass, on sand, or on water, as well as roads. Roads can also be placed on different types of ground. I'm gonna choose the sand building, the building that can be placed on sand, for 70,000 in cash, and that's gonna be built for 1 minute. I can also pay 7 gold to build it instantly, but I'm gonna choose this option. Then my sand area is small, I can place it only here or here. Remember that a building needs to have an access to a road, so the residents can drive to work. I'm gonna place it here because it's gonna touch this road, and approve. Now you need to wait a minute for the building to be built. You can see that the number of workers has gone down from 4 to 3. Now the building is built. You can click on it to receive it, and from now on residents will move in. Now you can see that the number of living places has been increased, so the residents will move in, and also the number of workers will increase. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.